Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. I have been receiving so many queries and this is the most prominent question that occur in your mind. Can I appear for separate module of German examination? That means can I give reading, writing separately, speaking, listening separately? Is it possible? How is it possible? And how can I prepare for that? And what are of benefits of doing this separately? First of all, I would say yes, it is very much possible. You can appear for German examination separately for the module, but as per the schedule given by the authority, examination body. Goethe Institute, if I talk about, that conducts examination all over the India, all over the world. So below in the description I will give you the link. You can check out upcoming examination schedule of Delhi Center. So as per the schedule, if it suits you, you can appear separately for the module. As I said, reading, writing together, listening, speaking together, reading, speaking together. So there is a proper schedule. You can choose as per your requirement, and registration of the examination takes place almost 1 month before the examination. Suppose if you want to appear for the examination in the month of February, doesn't matter respective of any level, A1, A2, B1, B2, you have to register yourself in the month of Jan, first week of Jan. And if the registration lines are open for 7 days or 5 days, don't wait for the last day. Register yourself on day 1, because you never know when seats get full and you have to wait for another 1 month. So register yourself as much as possible. Online registration is being done. You get confirmation on your email ID. So enter your correct email ID, correct particulars and personal details to avoid any problem further. And then you can start preparation for your respective exams. As I said, there is a benefit of appearing separately for the modules. First of all, you don't be under pressure. You can focus your entire energy on the selected modules, whatever it is, reading, writing, speaking or listening. And then in the second attempt, you can appear for the remaining modules. So your energy is completely focused. If you give all the 4 exams together, your energy is divided. You have to learn a lot. You have to put in a lot of efforts. But if you put in all the efforts just in 2 modules or 1 module, then of course outcome will be much better. Your result will be much better without stress. You have to pay exactly some more amount for that as compared to the Gemeinsam. In the separate module you have to pay a little bit more fees, but that doesn't matter. Your result, your outcome should be better. So this is very much possible, and links of the all important videos below in the description, and also buy link of the examination books are also given in the description. You can buy any of the book given in the description, or as per your choice, whatever you want. So thank you so much. Alles Gute, all the best for your upcoming exams. Bye bye, take care.